What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you some kitchen organizational hacks that will help you to keep your fridge and other spaces in your kitchen neat, tidy, and put together. So if you're interested in seeing some tips on how to keep your kitchen all the way clean and all the way together, stay tuned. My name is Lonnie and these are Lonnie's Lessons. Tip number one is to transfer juice from the plastic container from the grocery store to a glass container. I got this glass container from the Dollar Tree. What you want to do is you want to take the top off of your juice and you're just going to pour the contents of the bottle into your glass container and discard or recycle the plastic container. What this does is it really elevates your juice and it really helps you to have a more beautiful aesthetic when you are pouring your juice every day, and it makes your fridge look wonderful. So the next time that you have guests over and they get some juice or you're making a mimosa, it makes a huge impact. So I highly suggest to transfer your juices from plastic to glass. Tip number two is to ditch the egg carton. So when you get your eggs at home, the carton just isn't as attractive. So what you want to do is you want to take a plastic container or a bowl and you want to transfer the eggs into the container one by one, gently, so that they don't crack, of course. This method really helps to make your eggs have a more consistent visual effect so that when you open it, it is a aesthetically pleasing experience for you. So when you go to make your eggs in the morning, you are able to grab them very quickly without having to fuss with opening up the carton. So I highly suggest transferring your eggs to a different container. Tip number three is to hide the paper towels. There is nothing more unsightly than paper towels on a countertop. Even if they're in one of those paper towel holders, I just think that hiding paper towels is so much better. So all you have to do is find a over-the-cabinet paper towel holder and add it to the inside of your cabinet, and voila! Tip number four is to use a over-the-cabinet hair dryer holder to store your frequently used spray bottles. Take the hairdryer holder and hang it over the inside of the cabinet, and then you're going to add the bottles to the ring by the trigger. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your dishcloth and you're going to fold it into a nice little rectangle, and you're going to slip it right over this top portion, which is where the cord would be. And voila, nice and organized. Tip number five is to get a over-the-cabinet towel holder. We all have these towels in our kitchen that we use to dry off dishes or wipe down our counters, and sometimes people hang them over the bar of their stove, but I think that they are much better hidden. So you basically just get a over-the-cabinet towel holder. You place it on the inside of your cabinet and you fold up your towel so that it fits, and then you slip it right over the metal bar and you close the cabinet, and it keeps it nice, tidy, and hidden.